What's your vibration?
So I started to sing and I healed myself through soul and frequency music from the brain stroke, and I'm still here with you. Michael is a piano medium from Dust of Soul.
We had the honor as Swiss musicians to perform at the United Nations International Day of Peace on Times Square.
Frequency music is the future of the music. Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
What's special about Dust of Soul? We do work with frequency music. I tune my piano into the frequency of 432 Hertz, which is the frequency of peace, the frequency of relaxation to calm down our nervous system.
Everything has a frequency. Your decisions has frequency. To be thankful has a frequency. To be angry has a frequency. So be aware what kind of frequency you choose all day, and only you can shift that frequency. I really hope you will listen to frequency music in your life, make that experience. It has the same effect in the brain as psychedelics, but you get not addicted to it. Use frequency music for your healing, for your frequency, and just be grateful.